Morning children, welcome back to our science class. Yes children, tell me what we discussed yesterday. Yeah. We discussed yesterday about the different types of water sources. Yes, already we know that we have two types of water sources like groundwater sources and surface water sources, right? Yeah. By the essay topic we can say that we have two types of water sources and we can get the water from the rivers and lakes mainly. Yes? Yes. But how the river water reaches to our home, is there any process? Yes, and today's our topic is also that only. Today we are going to learn how the river water reaches to our home. Okay? And today's our topic is also river to home. Yes. And see the keywords: distribute, wastewater, treatment center. Okay, once again see that: distribute, wastewater, treatment center. Okay children, now you can tell me how does the water reaches to our home? How does the river water reaches to our home? Yeah. First the water passes through a water treatment center. Just you can imagine, here you can see the river. The river water first passes to a water treatment center. Water treatment center. In the water treatment center, what will happen? What will happen in the water treatment center? They will clean the water by using a big machines. Okay? In the water treatment center, they will clean the water. After that, they will send the cleaned water to a big tank. They will store the cleaned water in a big tanks. From the big tank, they will send the water to our homes by the pipes. Through the pipe, they will send the cleaned water to our homes. Okay, children. Before that, you can tell me: is it safe to drink the river water directly? And not for drinking, is it safe to use the river water directly for our daily needs like washing the clothes, to wash the dishes, like that? Is it safe? No, because the surface water may contain so many bacteria, so many germs like that. Okay, so in the water treatment center, they will use some chemicals and they will use some gases to kill the germs that are present in the water. So we in the water treatment center only they will clean the water. After that only they will store the cleaned water in a big water tanks. Okay, from the water tank they will send the water through the big pipes to our homes. Okay, this is the process of how the river water we are getting to our homes. Okay, children. Now you can tell me: is all people are using the same same water sources like we are using the surface water source? For example, we use the river water. Is it possible to use all the river water? Is it possible to have everyone in their rivers? No, it is not possible. In that situations, what they will do? Water may be pulled by the some machines. To use the groundwater, they will use some hand pumps, wells like that. Okay, but in some situations, the groundwater is also not enough for the people. Okay, in that situation, what they will do? In that situation, they have to carry the water in a big trucks to such places. Yes. Okay, so this is a topic, and now you can tell me. So we can say that we are using the water in our homes regularly. Yes. What happens to the water when it leaves our home? Yes. After we are using the water is going out, right? What happens to that water? Where that water is going? Yes, after we use the water, it goes down to the drain. Okay, it goes down to the drain and into the different pipes again to travel back to the water sources like rivers and yes. But this water is called wastewater because already we use that water, right? So the water is called wastewater. Then how this wastewater reaches to rivers? No. Yes. Okay children, just like how the river water reaches to our home before cleaning it, in the same way the wastewater also reaches to different treatment plants again. Okay, water treatment plants again, they will send the wastewater to the water treatment plants. uh, After that only they will send the cleaned water into the rivers again. Okay, this is the process of river to our home. Okay children.
Children, now you can open your content book. Rivers to houses. We can use river water. Before it reaches our homes, the water is cleaned in a water treatment plant. The treatment plant kills the germs in the water and makes it clean and safe for people to use. The clean water then travels to homes through pipes. After the water is used in homes, it goes down the drains and travels to a wastewater treatment plant. The treatment plant cleans the water before it goes back into the river. Here you can see the image of a water supply to a town. First you can see the blue color, that is a water supply just like a river, and this is the water treatment center, water treatment plant. In the treatment plant only they will clean the water. After that only they will send the water through the big pipes to our houses and small buildings like that. Okay children? Yes children, now you can open your volume S3, river to home. See the first question. Trace the path of water from the water source to your house. Okay, you have to trace the path from the water source to your house. That is the first question. And see the second question children. Write the steps of how water from rivers reaches your house. Once again see the second question. Write the steps of how water from rivers reaches your house. Now see the third question children. What will happen if there is no water in the taps one day? How will you make sure that there is still water for use at home? See the question once again. What will happen if there is no water in the taps one day? How will you make sure that there is still water for use at home? Okay children, read the content book and complete the volume. Thank you children.